Hi guys, welcome back to my weekly market analysis. So how you guys doing? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? All right, before I start, just do a very quick check whether both my audios and sounds are good. Right, so let's see who are here. All right. Okay, let me share my screen for a very quick one. Uh, yes, hi, Ahmad. Ahmad, I didn't see you just now on our mastermind Zoom discussion. So please try to join for because you please try to join in our mastermind discussion. All right, it happens bi-weekly. Okay, so let us start with this euro dollar chart. All right, so on this euro dollar on H4 chart, okay, so basically I'm more focusing on H4 chart. In fact, instead of the daily chart, the reason here is because that most of my trades I will try to go for an intraday trade, or it is either an intraday trade, or I will just hold the trade for 2 to 3 days. So I am now more focusing on the H4 chart compared to on the daily chart, because what happens on the daily chart takes time to happen. All right. So on this H4 chart, last week we are somewhere around here. So on last week market, what we see is that market is in an uptrend. All right, that's why we are only going to look for a buy trade. All right, we are only to focus to look on a buy trade. Yes, hi Hadi from Singapore. Yeah, have a good day. So what I was expecting is that market is to retest this previous neckline or previous resistance zone whatsoever, and expecting the market to continue rally up from this point. But what happened was, because I wouldn't know that whether the market can be up or down, what I do is that I just trade accordingly to my plan. So when market retested this area or this resistance or support zone, market did a very strong breakdown. All right, market did a very strong breakdown. So if you know how to draw trend line, you can see that the uptrend trend line was also actually been broken by this bearish momentum candle, and this candle was very strong. So I do not advise you to go on a sell trade after a very strong candle, and this is a H4 chart. All right, we just need to wait patiently for market to do its pullback. All right, and at here we can see that the uptrend is no longer valid as market has formed a new level here. All right, so for my mastermind student, you guys know that this is a swing point. All right, you guys know that this is a swing point, or this is a trading zone or whatsoever. And now we should focus on a sell entry because market has failed to create a new high. The first point. The second point is that market has breakdown of previous resistance or support zone, and market created a new low. So what we do is that we are just trying to look for a sell setup. All right, and this is another valid sell entry at here, because this is the neckline. Market break out and pull back, retested the neckline, and market was not able to break up again. And if we look on the lower time frame on H1, all right, these are the entry signal that we can use, because this is a SMA zone and rejection here, or we can even wait for the uptrend trend line to be broken, retest, And again, from here, we go for our sell entry. All right. So you can either place your trades based on one time frame, which was the H4 time frame, or you can use multiple time frame analysis. So for me, I'll be using either 2 or 3 time frames in order to get a very good entry point for me. So I'm expecting that for this week market, so market is likely to retest this area here, which was the previous low on the H4 chart. All right. So I'm looking for a sell trade, and the risk and reward is about 1 to 2.8 or 1 to 2.5 around here. I'm looking for a sell trade if things go well. All right. But what if market just break out of this structure, meaning that the uptrend is going to continue? But looking at this, the trend reversal is likely to happen. So this is my view for the euro dollar. So let me have a look on the pound dollar. So on the pound dollar, for this week market is a bit tricky because what I see is that on H4 market is entering some sort of consolidation, meaning that on H4 chart the market is likely to go sideways. So on sideways market, there are only 2 options for us to trade. Is either to go for a buy when market break up above this level, a very straightforward, or you go for a sell when market break below this key level. All right. So what we do is that for this pound dollar, we just keep in view. Very simple. We just keep in view until market really break down of this level, which is 1.28671. On the Aussie dollar last week, I remember that we are looking for a buy trade because I see that the H4 is keep on doing new high level, new lower highs, and new high level, but this lower high was broken. So for this week, I'm looking for a short signal because in order for market to remain in an uptrend, we need market to continuously making new highs. The concept is very simple. As long as market is keep on doing new highs level, we look for a buy trade. If market fail to create a new level and create a new low instead, we go for a sell trade. The concept is very simple. All right. But to really master the concept and combine into your daily trading, this is another story. Okay, so what I'm expecting that market to pull back and actually expecting a pullback. If we put a fib, we can roughly estimate the pullback is somewhere around here, which is also a confluence with our previous neckline. You can call this as head and shoulder whatsoever. I would just see this as a structure. All right, we just wait patiently for market to pull back to this area and then we continue with our short trade. This is for the Aussie dollar. Okay, so for the gold is a bit tricky. All right, it's a bit tricky. I think on my last week on my premium channel, I gave out both buy calls and also sell calls on this gold, and both of the trade has made a profit more than 350 pips combined. All right. So, but on this week, what are the goals trying to do is that I can see that market is still being pushed. All right, market is still being pushed higher. And if you look on the daily chart, the daily chart in the big trend is an uptrend, but now I can consider this as a very strong pullback. That's why you need to first determine your direction time frame and only you narrow into your entry time frame. So for me, because I took trades for intraday or maybe some 2 to 3 days, I'll be more focusing on the H4. So as long as this level 1888 is not broken. I say highlight again. This level 1888 is not broken. I'm still going to look for a buy trade. All right, I'm still going to look for a buy trade. So if this level is broken, then we just wait for market to pull back and we continue to short this market. But gold is very volatile. All right, you need to trade with very good risk and reward. All right, let us have a look on the euro yen. So on this euro yen, what I can see is that market is still in the downtrend here because we keep on seeing that market keep on doing lows and higher low. But at this level, we can see that the market was being rejected once, twice, and market failed to close below this 123.02, meaning that this can be a new support level, and this is our another key level for us to look for. If market break above this level, we can just continue to go for a buy trade. But if this level was not able to be broken, then we just lock back to the sell trade because in overall market is still in a sell trend. All right, so for this week market, I would suggest you to keep in view for clear direction instead of entry blindly. Okay, so for the pound yen, on pound yen, on H4, we can see a clear break of previous trend line, pull back, and market created a new low. All right, market created a new low, and I will expect that this is a pullback. So I will just continue to look for a short on this pound yen. All right, very simple. All right, and the last pair for today is a bit messy. All right, so on this dollar Canadian pair, on daily, obviously market is in a downtrend, and on H4, what we can see is that market was being pushed down, failed to break below, and market was being rejected up again, and this created a potential level for us to look for a trade. So what we need to do is that we just wait market to retest this level and with condition that fail to break above, and then only we look or we make our entry for another short trade. If market fails to break above this level, which is 1.32371. All right, so thank you guys for joining me this week for my analysis, and I have one announcement to make. All right, if you have been following us on Facebook, you should be seeing that we are actually giving a free access to my FX Action Trader Premium channel where we give out trade calls. All right, where we give out all our trade calls at here. So I can show you. Let me show you some. All right, share screen. Okay, so this is basically how this premium channel looks like. So what we did is that we'll be giving you entry signals with entry, take profit level, stop loss level, and this is our summary from 29th September to 16th October. So we have made 780 pips till now, and we have some running trades which is still ongoing. So last time we do charge for you to join this channel, but now we are giving you access for free to join this channel. So if you want to join this channel for free, drop us a message or just comment in this video. So we will be sending you a very clear steps to join this channel for free. And also you can join our mastermind group with the access to all our trading content with just as low as $47 monthly, and you can cancel anytime you want. So if you wish to join us, just drop us a message, or you can just go to www.pipsecrets.com. All right, I will send the link on the comment section here. So I will see you guys again on next week. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.